Hello, thank you so much for tuning in. And as you can see, this is Dreadlocks extension that was ordered by one of my supporters. I do craft this at home. So this is 90 pieces. And today in this video, I'm gonna share with you all 3 easy installation that you can use, and at the same time we're gonna learn how to unfix this type of extension. So I do hope you stick around, and today I'm super excited to share something amazing with you. As you know, I specialize in creating high quality handcrafted artificial dreadlocks, and I had a great month in February. So thanks to all of you. And I wanted to take a moment to say a huge thank you for your support since I launched my store on Fourth Wall. That was last year on September. And a big shout out to everyone who purchased from me last month. I managed to sell 5 bundles. So one bundle has 90 pieces of dreadlocks extension, and I'm beyond grateful. So special thanks to one of my amazing supporters who ordered not just one bundle but end up buying 2 bundles. I truly appreciate your support and believe in my work. You guys are the reason I do what I do, and I couldn't do it without your support. So for anyone who been thinking about getting their own set, a custom made dreadlocks, now it's a great time. And put in mind, my handcrafted dreadlocks are unique, are durable, and made with care, with you in my mind. And if you want to stand out with a fresh new look or just add something special to your hair, now is the perfect time to place an order. And if you are watching this and you are still on the fence, please reach out to me. I'd love to answer any question you might have. So as you can see, I craft this in a special way that enable this type of pin crochet just to move in smoothly in the locks, so that your hair will just remain tucked inside. And also remember, you can use this type of dreadlocks extension on your starter locks, and yeah, it's gonna be more beautiful. And if you know someone who been looking for custom dreadlocks, make sure to tag them in this video or in the comment section, in the comment section below the video, and share this video with them also. So thanks again for your support. I can't wait to create more beautiful dreadlocks for y'all. Remember, your perfect set is just one order away. And yeah, so this is the first method. And it's very, very easy. I do hope you can give it a try. And to unfix it, you just need to pull this small section of the hair out, and you're good to go. So for the second method, again, remember I craft this in a special way that enable this pin crochet to move smoothly in between the locks so that your hair can be tucked. So when you order the hair, you get these tools for free. So here we go. Your hair is gonna be cut inside the locks. So again, so this is the second method. Don't forget, we're gonna learn how to unfix this type of locks. So here we go again. So now I'm gonna braid it up. I'm gonna braid it up a little bit and make sure you do it firmly, not too tight, so that your work, so that there won't be tension on the scalp. Yeah, so let me take this moment again to thank you all for your support. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back and watch my videos. It really motivates and it keeps me going. And if you're watching this for the first time, thank you so much for watching. And if you want more content like this, you just need to subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime, any day that a new video is up. So again, I'm gonna tag that rat tail in the logs, and yeah, so it's as easy as that. So I do hope you're finding this helpful, and you can get to see the different method that I'm using to install this type of Dreadlocks extension. So here we go with the last method. So with this one, I'm gonna join it with her natural hair, and I'll just braid it up and just tack it again in the locks. Okay, so here we go. Take your time. Again, I'm gonna let my pin crochet move smoothly in between the locks so that your natural hair can stay tucked in the lock. So I do hope you understand what I'm trying to let you guys learn with me. And to unfix it is very, very easy. You just pull the rat tail from the bottom and you're good to go. And you can rewear these locks as much time as you can. You can rewear it as much times as you can. And also, if you want to achieve some curls, you can dip it in hot water, not too hot because this is synthetic and it might get burned. So as you can see, it's just as simple as that to unfix this type of locks, and you're good to go. Okay, so this small section that I'm trying to wrap it down, that's gonna help it remain more natural, and this is the method that I've used on her entire head. So at that point is when you just pull it out for the first method, and then for the remaining two method, now you just pull the rat tail from the bottom. Okay, yeah, so it's as easy as that. I do hope you've learned something. So yeah, I'll have to leave you guys now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And to style it, you just style it the way you want and you're good to go.